Hello there. So today we're going to take a look at the problem 4 from the 2018 AIME I, which goes as follows. In triangle ABC, AB equals AC equals 10 and BC equals 12, isosceles triangle ABC, point D lies strictly between A and B on AB, and point E lies strictly between A and C on AC, so that AD equals DE equals EC, then AD can be expressed in the form PQ, blah 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 blah. Usual stuff. So let's draw a diagram as always. So we're going to draw our isosceles triangle and the opposite side. So A is our vertex there, and we're going to put sides 10, 10, and 12. So they state that D is somewhere inside AB, E is somewhere inside AC, and so we can connect them. We can draw some congruency symbols, and so we can call this X, and this X. So our goal in the end is to solve for X. So we know there's only one way for this to be drawn, right? But we need to figure out what values of X satisfy this. So it would help if we notice we know everything about this triangle, right? So if we knew theta, we could apply law of cosines. And so we actually can solve for cosine theta because we have triangle ABC. So if we apply law of cosines twice, once on ABC to get cosine theta, and then once on triangle ADE, law of cosines to get X. So we start with this one, right? So we know 144 equals 200 minus 200 cosine theta. So I just simplified a bit of the math there. We can subtract. We'll get cosine theta equals 56 over 200, which simplifies down to 7 over 25. So that's an important result. We can now use this to use law of cosines down here. So this one's going to require a little bit of algebra, so we got to be a little neat down here. X squared equals X squared plus 10 minus X squared minus 2 times X times 10 minus X cosine theta. And so we know what cosine theta is. It's 7 over 25, so we can plug that in, as well as cancel a couple terms. So we'll move some things around real quick. So we'll get 2. We're going to be a little careful here so we don't mess up. And we get 10 minus X squared on that side. So now if we do a little bit of cancellation, we know X is strictly greater than 0. So we're going to, 10 minus X is greater than 0, X greater than 0. So we can actually cancel these 10 minus X's. So we get 2X times 7 over 25 equals 10 minus X. We can add 1 to this side, so we'll get 25 plus 14, 39 over 25x equals 10. And we should be able to quickly move everything over. X equals 250 over 39. And so since they asked for the sum of them, this leads to P plus Q equals 289, and we are done. Thank you for watching.